students, now we are going to discuss about the 7th standard maths lesson 1 number system. This is a continuation for previous video. Now I explain exercise 1.1, the fourth sum. Expand the following decimal numbers. So the decimal number is given, we expand the decimal numbers. The first one is 37.3. So the decimal number given, already we know the place value. Before the dot, this place is ones, this place is tens. So after the dot point, after the decimal place, the first place is tens and hundreds and thousands, so on. So here we write the number, this is 10 place, so 30 plus 7 plus, here after the dot decimal number we write in tens, that is 3 divided by 10. So here 30 means we split into the number 3 into 10 power 1, then plus 7 into 10 power 0, then 10 power 0 value is 1, so 1 into 7, 7. So 7 change into the 10 power, so 7 into 10 power 0. Then 10 power 1 is 10, so 3 into 10, 30. So 30 is changed into 3 into 10 power 1. So the next number plus 3 into 1 divided by 10, we change into the 10 power minus 1. So we write in the 10 power also. So 37.3, the expanded value is 3 into 10 power 1 plus 7 into 10 power 0 plus 3 into 10 power minus 1. The second decimal number given 658.37. So first step we write before the decimal place, here this place is ones, 10, 100. Here after the decimal place, tens, hundreds. So first we write it, this is 100 place, so 600 plus 10 place, 50 plus 8. After the decimal place, we write it 3 divided by 10, tenths place, that is. So plus 7 divided by 100. So we change into the 10 power, 600 means 6 into 100 plus 50 means 5 into 10. Here 8 into 10 power 0 plus 3 into 10 power minus 1 plus 7 into 10 power minus 2. Because we write it 7 divided by 10 power 2, that change into 10 power minus 2. So the next one, 100 is changed into 10 square. So we write it 6 into 10 power 2 plus 5 into 10 power 1 plus 8 into 10 power 0 plus 3 into 10 power minus 1 plus 7 into 10 power minus 2. So this is to expand the following decimal numbers. So 658.37, the expanded form is 6 into 10 power 2 plus 5 into 10 power 1 plus 8 into 10 power 0 plus 3 into 10 power minus 1 plus 7 into 10 power minus 2. So the third subdivision is 237.6 here. So we write it here 1, 10, 100. So the place value of after the decimal place, tens. So we write it, this is 100 place, so 230 plus 7. So 237, we write it 200 plus 30 plus 7 plus after the decimal place 10th place, so 6 divided by 10. So 200 we write it 2 into 100, then that is 10 power 2 plus 3 into 10 power 1 plus 7 into 10 power 0, then plus 6 into 10 power minus 1. So this is the solution for the third one. The fourth one given 5,678.358. Here before the decimal place, the place value is ones, tens, hundred, thousand. So after the decimal place, tens, hundreds, thousands. So we write the decimal number. This is 100 place, 1000 place, so 5000 plus 600 plus 70 plus 8. So 5678 we change into 5000 plus 600 plus 70 plus 8 plus after the decimal place 10th place 3 divided by 10 plus 5 divided by 100 plus 8 divided by 1000. So we write into the 10 power, we write it here 5 into 1000 plus 6 into 100 plus 7 into 10 plus 8 into 10 power 0. So 10 power 0 value is 1. So 1 into 8, 8. 7 into 10, 70. 6 into 100, 600. 5 into 1000, 5000. So the next value 3 into 10 power minus 1. Then 5 divided by 100 we change into 5 divided by 10 power 2. So that is we write it 5 into 10 power minus 2 plus 8 into 10 power minus 3. So here 1000 is changed into 10 cube. So 5 into 10 power 3 plus 6 into 10 power 2 plus 7 into 10 power 1 plus 8 into 10 power 0 plus 3 into 10 power minus 1 plus 5 into 10 power minus 2 plus 8 into 10 power minus 3. So this is the expand form of the decimal number 5678.358. So this is the solution for the fourth subdivision. So in the fifth sum, express the following decimal numbers in place value grid and write the place value of the underlined digit. The first number is given, find the decimal numbers and find the number value, place value of the underlined number. So first draw the place value table. Here this is 1 place, 10 place, 100, 1000. Here after the decimal number, here this place after the decimal number, tens, hundreds, thousands. So we start in the ones place 53.61. So 53.61 point is here. So here this is 10 place. So 53.61. So the first one is, this is ones place, tens place. After the decimal places, this is here tens place is 6, then 100 place is 1. So the first one given, the place value of 6. So 6, the place value is 1 divided by 10. So the place value of 6 is, we write the solution 6 divided by 10. So the next number given 263.271. Here point line is here. So 263. So we write the 100 places 2, tens place is 6, ones place 3. Then after the decimal places, tens place is 2, 7, 1. So the underlined digit is 7. That is 1 divided by 100 place. So the place value of 7 is, so in this sum the place value of 7 is 7 divided by 100. So the place value of 7 is 7 divided by 100. The next decimal number given 17.39. So we write it tens place 1, 7.39. So we find the place value of 9. So here 9 is this place, that value place value is hundreds place. So 9 divided by 100. So the place value of 9 is 9 divided by 100. So the next decimal number is given 9.657. One place only given. So write it one place. Here 9. So this line is point. We write it 6, 5, 7. 6 is tens place, 100 place and thousands place. Here find the value of place value of 5. So underline the number is 5. So this 5 is the place value hundreds. So we write the solution. The place value of 5 is 5 divided by 100. The next number is given 4972. So we write it 4972.068. So here the underlined digit is 8. So the place value of 8 is thousands. So we write it, the place value of 8 is 8 divided by 1000. So this is the solution for the fifth one. So dear students, today we learned about expand the decimal numbers and the place value grade and write the place value of the and find the place value of the underlined digit. Prepare well. Thank you.